Up, this Woody Woods. This just in. A car bomb just went off in Nashville on Christmas Day. Here's footage from right after, and then I'll read the article.
Oh, shit.
Here's a few more videos I found, and then I'll read the news article. The sounds are truly terrifying. Here's an extension of that first video.
Oh, shit.
That's truly terrifying, and there's no coincidence it happened on Christmas. Here's a news article. It's a developing story. If anything updates, I'll put it in the description. Explosion felt for miles, rocks downtown Nashville is called an intentional act. Nashville's authorities believe an explosion that occurred in downtown early Christmas morning was felt for miles was an intentional act sparked by a vehicle. Police responded to reports of a suspicious vehicle parked outside of the AT&T building just before 6 a.m. Upon arrival, police said an officer had reason to alert the department's hazardous devices unit, which was en route when a significant explosion happened. 3 people were hospitalized with injuries, police say. No one died, they're reporting so far. Police and firefighters responding to the area near 2nd Avenue and Commerce Street about 6:45 a.m. Friday. Officials on the scene trying to put out the fire and also seeing if anyone else is inside the buildings. So basically, someone reported a suspicious vehicle. The cop got there and confirmed it was and thought it was a bomb and called the bomb squad. And as the bomb squad was coming, the explosion went off. And so maybe someone saw that, they noticed it, they were going to set off. Who knows? That's all speculation, but that is what we know so far. The fire department confirmed a bomb squad was on the scene with an active investigation by Metro Police and federal agencies. The department asked residents and others to avoid the area. This is the Nashville's Twitter. An explosion linked to a vehicle occurred at 6:30 this morning outside 166 2nd Ave in North Downtown. Investigation active by MNPD and federal partners. The mayor, John Cooper, said he toured the damage, describing broken glass and busted water mains with insulation blow up in the trees. It looked like a bomb went off, he's quoted as saying. He said it was too soon for any conclusions, but said updates will be given as soon as Saturday morning. The downtown area will be sealed off until further investigation and to make sure everything is completely safe, according to Mayor Cooper. One more event in Nashville for 2020, he's quoted as saying. It's not, I don't know if it was supposed to be a joke, it didn't land, but whatever. Images and videos taken in the area shows flames and smoke, that's what I just showed, which could also be seen for miles away. Alarms inside several buildings were heard going off, with water pouring into some buildings, with structural damage and broken windows. Debris and shattered glass were seen flying over a wide area. Trees lining 2nd Avenue was also blackened from the incident. The owner of a nearby Nashville hostel told the Tennessean, part of the USA Today network, that the guests were evacuated to the Nissan Stadium for shelter. He said he got a call early Friday from a staff member reporting a loud boom and the fire alarms going off. He said the hostel is damaged, but did not go into further details. This says this is still a developing story, which it is. Yeah, so, and these are the videos I watched, that we just watched. So, that's a bomb that went off in Nashville today. Merry Christmas, right? I mean, this is terrible. My prayers and thoughts go out to everyone infected. And thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And let's fucking go!